Hello, this is Joanne coming to you with another video. I just want to say thank you for coming to the channel, and I appreciate it because you know what, you didn't have to, but I just wanted to make it worth your while. Okay, I have something different that I usually talk about work from home videos, but today I'm gonna show you 12 best side hustle ideas to make money in 2019 that pay well. Number one is called ride sharing. Ride sharing is something that ride sharing is you can get in the car and pick up. It's like Uber. That's ride sharing. Number two is called deliver food. You can make money by delivering food. These are some awesome side hustle ideas. I'm just giving you I just want to give you an opportunity, to make some extra money. Number three is start a blog. Starting a blog is not all that easy. Like they say, it's not easy. But you can actually make money off just starting a blog. And if people like it and they read it, that's how you make your dough that way. Number four is online freelancing. They talk about this as well. You can make money freelancing, but it's not easy, but it's actually doable, and you can make good money doing online freelancing. Number four is rent out your car. If you're not using your car, rent it out, get paid, make money. But make sure the person is legit that you are renting your car out to. Number six is called buy and sell stuff through Amazon, eBay. They got so many. Like the only ones I could think of off of my head is Amazon and eBay. Those are big companies that you can buy and resell stuff. Number seven is help people move. You can make so much money if you see somebody move, if you see somebody move and they need help them out. You could probably make like $200. I'm just giving you some side hustle ideas. I know this is different from what I usually do, but I want to give you an opportunity to just think about it and make some money. Number eight, babysit or dog sitting. Babysitting or dog sitting, you can make some awesome money. Take online surveys. A lot of people I find doing surveys where you make a couple dollars, 50 cents. You know what? When you think about doing surveys, and I could tell you straight off that I have at least 12 survey sites that I do all the time, full time. And I get paid. Like, can you imagine? I got 12 and I get $10 here, $10, $5 add that up in one day. Just think about that one. Add that up in one day, making $5, $10 from 12 sites. That is money, daily money. Think about that. 10 is create stuff to sell. If you have stuff in your house, sell it. Put it on eBay, put it on Amazon, and they got a host of other places where you can take pictures of your stuff that you don't want anymore and sell it. Sell your stuff. 11, work art gigs. Like, if somebody need help painting or need help moving, as I said before, that's another gig. That's something or helping the elderly if they need stuff from the store, help them out. Number 12 is tutoring. Tutor kids online. That's an awesome way. You can make up to $25 an hour. I'm not really sure how much, but it varies. The most I've seen is $50 an hour. So you can make up to $25 to $50 an hour. Some is $12 an hour just for tutoring. That's 12. And I want to go back to the ride sharing. Ride sharing is with Uber, Lyft. They got so many out here right now that it is crazy. And delivering food, you know how much you can make delivering food? If you're not doing that and you want a side hustle, consider like starting a blog, online freelancing, rent out your car, getting paid to rent out your car. If I had a car, I would rent my car out and get the money. That is, and help people move. You know how much you could make just helping people move? A quick 200, 250, just for helping somebody move. And you can also make a friend at the end. Babysit, dog sitting. These are some awesome ways I just wanted to bring to you, so you can, if you know, I usually do the work from home and all that good stuff, but I wanted to bring you a way of making money by doing side hustles. That's extra money. And the one that I really like is service. That's my side hustle. And my side hustle, I make at least, I would say, if I do my side hustles, like in a month, I would make maybe like $400 a month. Because I have 12 survey sites, legit survey sites that I do. And I go to other channels, like, what's her name? Like the workers on board. I go there and I see what she got. She's another person, another creator that does, her name, her channel is Workers on Board. And she has so many side hustle gigs, and I'll be picking them up and I'll be checking them out, and I sign up for like a couple of those. So she, just go check her out. It's Workers on Board. She is pretty cool. Like, she has the jobs, like the gigs. And she's the one that really inspired me, like, to start my YouTube channel. Like, for real. Workers on Board. And Justin Bryant, that's another one that you see, he got some awesome information. Justin Bryant and Workers on Board. Check them out and see what they got to talk about, because they talk about a lot of ways to make money, and they have definitely inspired me to start my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say that. And those are 12 that you can check out. Don't forget to share the video if you know somebody that want to know about a side hustle or work from home job, survey sites, legit survey sites. Subscribe to the channel and share the video so you don't miss out any videos that I do when I do brand new videos every single week. And I like to start off my week, like Mondays. I love to start off my week and put the videos out. And yeah, so consider looking at these ride sharing, which is is Uber and Lyft, and they got so many more out here, but the two popular ones that I know about is Uber and Lyft. So consider that, and delivering food. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with, little side hustle. And I wanted to just have you think about other ways on how to make money. Besides work from home, you could have one of these side hustle ideas that I gave you. You never know. One of these might work out for you. Especially if you like babies and you like babysitting, dog walking. You can make silly money just by walking a dog or just babysitting a dog. Listen, I'm an animal lover, so I know how I have 2 cats, so I love my animals. I love my cats. So people will pay you money just to walk their dog or just to stay with their dog for a couple of hours. You can make $50, $100 in a couple of hours. or you can make $17 an hour, $15. You can make your own. You can tell them how much you want to get paid to babysit their dog or babysit their babies. Everybody needs help. So I wanted to give you these side hustle ideas so you can have, another way of you to make some money, like a side hustle. So with that being said, I said thank you for coming to the channel, because you did not have to, and I want you to know I appreciate it very much. But I know that, I want to show you ways of how to make money, and I want to just bring all the information that I get to you. That's it. Because I know it's hard out in these streets. I know. I'm living it every day. So I know it's rough. It's not easy. But if I could bring you these side hustle ideas to give you an idea, or have you think about what you want to do today, what you want to start. If you have a car, you can rent your car out. You can actually, I didn't even know that you can actually rent your car out. What? So you can make a quick $100 just for renting out your car for an hour. You can make your own prices. Say, look, I'm gonna rent out my car, but you gotta give me $150, $100, $80. That's money in your pocket for that day. What? Imagine renting out your car 3 times for the day. Bam, that's your week's pay. $150, $200. Yeah, consider it. Think about it. If you have a car, listen, if I had a car, I would be renting out my car today. I ain't gonna lie. That's money. If I knew that this was gonna happen, I would have got my license at 16 and did all of that just to know that in this day and age that I could actually rent out my car. Yep. So subscribe to the channel if you want more information on how to make money from home, side hustle, passive income. Consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you for coming to the channel. Take care for now. Bye-bye.